everyone, we're back again with another productivity pro tip. Today we're exploring the teamwork wonders of Microsoft Whiteboard. But first up, I'm Kat Schneider, Power Platform developer here at Insight and your productivity pro today. I've got almost 15 years in the public sector trying to find new and innovative ways to use the various Microsoft tools available. My passion for and curiosity about data has led me on a journey of continuous learning and growth. And it's that passion that I share back into the Microsoft communities and here with you today. So let's get started. Ever found yourself in a brainstorming session with all the ideas, or worse, crickets, or wished you had more interactive or engaging way to capture everyone's ideas? Well, enter Microsoft Whiteboard. Let's start a new board. I can start a template to help focus the task at hand. Whiteboards don't have to be limited to just work. Team building is also an essential productivity booster, so remember to have fun too. Once my new canvas is open, I can place the template, I can draw, type, or I can add images. Think screenshots. This is perfect for real-time collaboration. I can add in a team member to join in and contribute, no matter where they are. Once they join in, I can see where they're at on the canvas, and we can collaborate in real time. Microsoft Whiteboard isn't just another digital tool. It's an innovative hub for creativity and collaboration, which makes for more productive and engaging remote meetings. Now, if you found today's productivity pro tip helpful, imagine what more we can do to streamline your business processes and workflow. Here in development at Insight, we specialize in converting Excel processes into robust Power Platform solutions. If you're ready to elevate your business's data game, contact us for your next Excel to Power Platform project. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks, and we'll see you in our next video or webinar. Thank you.